on these kids. Third map, 3-2 on these kids. They were talking mad shit to us. And look at them getting their little white asses slapped. We're bolts only experts. What?
Defend the objective.
And because of the straight dildo, boy.
Hitting them with the dildo. Oh my gosh, bro. Can we finish the deal? Shit.
Yeah, we got it. We better finish it. Come on, y'all need to pick.
Oh, don't get picked off. Quit choking. Come on, Jude. Come through this round. We really need you.
Everyone cash up this company.
Search and destroy.
Everybody needs this company. Yeah, what if I die? So?
Eliminate the objectives. Charges acquired.
One push mid truck. GG. GG. 4-3 third map. 4-3 third map. 4-3 for third map. 4-3 third map. Clean game. Nice played game with these kids. They're 16 and 16. Nice played game. He left. There you go. There you go. He's left. Last kid's still in here. GG. Good game. That's that.